Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, English with Shai.
Alright, so with this book, Yun, you were able to finish reading this story about okay, this is page 7, right? Okay, hold on. So, had you finished reading this story? Not yet, right?
Yeah, this.
Not
I
yet.
did.
Oh, you
Yeah.
did?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. So that means, Yun, we are going to continue our class discussion in this story here on lesson 2 of your book. And the title of this lesson is
Brown and blue eyes.
the brown and blue eyes. Okay, so please read the story, Yun, starting from here.
Okay. She had big brown eyes.
Mhm.
Her sister had big blue eyes.
Mm.
Her brother had big green eyes.
Mm.
Her mother had a gray eye and a green eye.
Mm.
Her father had black eyes.
Mm.
Why are our eyes different?
Mm.
She asked her mom. Who knows? Said her mom.
Mm.
Life is strange.
Mm.
It is full of mystery. This is a mystery to all of us.
Mm.
She asked her teacher. She asked the doctor. She asked the nurse. She asked the mailman.
Mhm.
Nobody knew
Okay.
why her family had different
Mm.
eyes colors.
Mhm.
Finally, she asked the librarian.
Mm.
A librarian reads a lot. A librarian works in the library.
Mhm.
A librarian is surrounded by books.
Mm.
Books have information.
Mhm.
Lots of information. The librarian looked in all her books.
Mm.
She called other librarians. They looked in their books.
Mhm.
Still, nobody knew the answer.
Mm.
I'm sorry, little girl.
Mm.
The librarian said.
Mm.
Maybe someone will invent a computer someday.
Mm.
Then I will give you an answer.
Mm.
But for now, your big brown eyes and your sister's big blue eyes are a big mystery.
Okay, so what a very good reading performance here. Well done. Okay, however, Yun, I have noticed some a little bit mispronunciation though. Okay, first one is, so far you were able to correct yourself right away with this, but I want you to repeat it again. This is
New.
new. Very good. New comes from the word.
No.
Very good. No is the present tense. New is the past tense. Good job for that. Another one, you missed to emphasize the S sound or the sound after the word color. Okay? So just be careful with the extra letters, extra S at the end of the letters. So this should be colors.
Colors.
Okay, very good. All right, so another one is this one. Please read again.
Card,
Okay, called. Very good.
card,
Okay, so it comes from the word.
car.
Okay, good job. So the present form of this word is call. Okay, now you just have to add the sound of D after that. Call, called. Called.
Card,
Okay, well done. Okay, now the last one that you mispronounce is this one.
said,
Okay,
said,
very good. Okay, so this one comes from the word
say,
say. Very good. Say is the present form, and the past form is said. Please repeat.
said.
Said. Okay, very good. So it's just like you're saying said.
Said.
Okay, very good. Said. All right, so that's it.
Said.
Okay, very good. Okay, so that's just the three mispronounced so far that you've missed here in this reading. And I assume, Yun, you understand the story very well, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the story is about?
Uh, uh, um, oh, oh, color?
Yes, very
Yeah.
good. So the story is about a family who have different eye colors. Okay, family members who have different eye colors. Okay, now it's time to proceed. Okay, to proceed to the next page of this book, Yan. And here is the vocabulary. So as you can see in the previous page, there are words that are written in bold blue, okay, such as the word strange. Okay, now what is the meaning of the word strange?
Unusual, not
Um,
familiar,
Very good.
different.
Unusual, not familiar, different, okay, or not common. Okay, so that is
Okay.
also strange. Now, since you have the meaning of the word strange here, can you make a sentence using the word strange?
Mm, mm, what is the strange?
Strange, okay. The meaning is
Strange.
unusual or not familiar.
I'm not familiar.
Or unusual.
Oh, not familiar. Oh,
Or unusual.
okay. Wait.
Take your time.
Mm, okay. He,
Mhm.
he, 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 his ear is strange.
His ears is strange. Okay, this is a good sentence. Okay, it's a good sentence. So that means the kind of ear that he has is not usual. Okay, it's
Yeah,
different
not-
from the others. So it's strange.
Yeah,
Good job,
okay.
Yan. I like your ears. You have your earring. Okay, good job, Yun. This is a great sentence. All right, now let's proceed to the next word here, which is the word
Mystery.
Mystery. Okay, what does it mean when we say mystery?
Something strange or unknown which has not yet been explained or understood.
Okay, so which, it's also strange, but which has not yet been explained or understood. Okay, so that's a mystery. Now, I want you to make another sentence using the word mystery.
어, 음, 어,
Mystery in Korean is sinbi, right?
예, 신비,
Sinbi.
mystery,
Okay.
예.
Mystery. Okay. Now make a sentence using sinbi.
어, wait, okay, 음, okay, the pyramid, what was, what,
Mhm.
wait, yeah. What is the pronunciation
Of
of pyramid?
pyramid. Okay.
Pyramid? Okay.
Pyramid. Mhm.
Pyramid is English. K
Okay.
English.
Okay, English.
Pyramid.
Pyramid. Okay.
The pyramid.
Mhm.
Pyramids are one of the seven mystery of the world.
Very good. The pyramid is one of the seven mystery of the world. Okay, very good. So this is again a very good sentence. And I wonder whether you are making this on your own or you search for it.
Yeah, pyramid.
Okay, so you are searching it. Okay, and a pyramid. Okay, hold on. And so far, this sentence there is correct. Okay. Mystery of the word. So here you were able to use the word mystery correctly. Good job. Okay, another one.
Another one?
Mhm.
Oh,
I mean, another word.
another word.
Uh-huh. Another word is nail. Not another sentence. Another word. Okay.
Mailman.
A mailman. Okay. Now, when we say a mailman, what does it mean?
A mail letter
Mhm.
carrier.
Carrier. Do you know what does it mean when we say carrier?
Yeah, I know carrier.
It comes from the word
Carry.
carry. Very good. Okay, so a mail letter carrier. So that is a mailman. Now, what do we call a female letter carrier?
Mail woman.
Very good. So a male woman. Okay, because we have mailman for a male. For female, male woman. Very good. Okay, so two last vocabulary words here are the first one, or the second from the last is
Librarian.
a librarian. And librarians,
A person who works in a library.
Okay, so a person who works in a library. You are very familiar of this. And the last one here is
Invent.
invent. Okay, which means
To design or create something that did not exist before.
okay, create.
Create.
Okay, to design or to create something that did not exist before. Okay, so for the two remaining vocabulary here, yun, I will give this as your homework. Okay, and I want you to make 4 sentences, okay, using these words. Okay, so 2 for the word librarian and also 2 for the word invent. Okay, so all in all, you have to give me 4 sentences. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, you can also send your answer in my Kakao. All right?
Okay.
Okay, so before we totally end with your class for today, Yun, let's have first a very quick summary of what you did this afternoon. Okay, so for today's class, dear, earlier you were able to say these sentences here. Okay, so summary of today's class. Let me just correct this first. Okay, summary of today's class. So for your sentence correction, as what I have said, earlier you said studied. Okay, today I studied at home. So better say, today I,
only study at home.
okay, today I only study at home. Another one, you also said, I
Do not
know,
know yet.
do
Okay.
not
I
know
don't
yet.
know. Yeah, I don't know yet.
Very good. Okay, you can actually say, I do not know yet. And at the same time, you can also say, I don't know yet. It's just the same. Okay?
Okay.
All right. And also, darling, I've noticed that most of the time when you wanted to say yes, you just say yes or yeah. Okay. And I encourage you to keep answering questions in a complete sentence. So it would be better if you will say, yes, I can.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, I can.
If no, you can say no. No what?
No, I can.
Very good.
No.
Yes. No, I can't. Perfect. All right. Now for your new words learned for today, Yun. So far, there is no new words learned for today, which means you understand again the vocabulary words in our textbook today. Okay, but when it comes to your mispronounced words, I want you to repeat these 3. First is
New.
new, next is
Sad.
said.
Sad.
Okay, next is
Heard.
okay, called. Okay, so yun, this is just for your class summary for today. Thank you so much for attending your class, and I'm going to see you again on your next class on Wednesday. Okay?
Okay.
All right, bye for now, Yun.
Bye bye.
Bye, see you.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have learned. Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell button for you to be notified on my next uploads.